Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. It's Ethel. On today's video, we are going to be doing a 2000 cooking challenge that was initiated by a Cameroon YouTuber, Kenna Kea. Thank you so much, girl. I'm grateful to take part in this challenge. Though I'm very late, but I'm still happy because it's a very good initiative. I'm going to be cooking cassava and groundnut stew. So I'll be taking you guys to the market so that I can purchase the items and come do the cooking. So please watch this video to the end.
Ebe pour 510 000. C'est possible? Ah. Pardon, excusez-moi. Ben... Ah bon, alors, pour faire... C'est bien pour la sauce, le manger ça c'est bien, ça mange pas mal de. C'est le one that she say. On va manger bien mais évidemment. On est sauce. Thanks. I don't want one meat.
Hello guys, I'll be showing you the items I purchased for the 2K challenge for 6 persons. I was motivated to this challenge by Kenna Kea, a YouTuber doing so well. She motivated me to do this, so I'm going to be cooking groundnut stew and cassava. So these are the items I purchased, and I'll be telling you the prices as well. I got this fish for 600 francs. Can you imagine? Hey God, one fish for 600 francs. Then I bought ginger. This is ginger for 100 francs. Crayfish, this crayfish, I bought it for 100 francs. Onions, I bought onions for 100 francs as well. Bought 2 cups of groundnut, for 350. 1 cup was 175. I bought cassava for 500. This is the cassava that I bought for 500. Tomatoes for 200 francs. The total of everything I purchased for this challenge was 1,750. Guys, I finished cooking. I've eaten. It was nice, delicious. I didn't use all the cassava and I didn't use all my groundnut. The only thing that I used all was the fish. I had something that 6 people could eat, even for for 2 or 3 times. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Bye. Love you guys.